Okay, let's now have a look. Not done anything much really, just bits of oil here and there, and see what the wash motor's doing. And more importantly, the pump. Seems to be turning okay for the time being, I'm not sure. It's not sounding great, but we will see when we get a new pump tyre.